Hi, my name's Steve and welcome back to the 8-Bit Retro Refix. And on this week's episode I wanted to show you something that I found out just after last week's video, to be fair. These are an RGH console, but the disk drive is not flashed with any custom firmware. So we're going to show you how to boot backup disks on this disk drive without any custom firmware in there. So, okay, we've got an RGH console. We don't particularly need backups to run on this disk drive because we can put them on via USB stick or over the internet, to be honest. But some of us have a lot of these backup disks still kicking around, and it's always nice to be able to have that option. That if you go around a car boot sale and you pick up a wallet of CDs and it's got a lot of backups in, and you want to pick it up for a couple of quid, something like that, it's nice to be able to have the option to be able to copy that straight across onto the hard drive off the backup disks. And I'm sure plenty of you people out there have still got piles of these backup disks as well. Over the years it was quite known for people running backups. It's to save your originals, obviously, from being scratched. So you might even have originals now in your collections that you want to preserve and you don't want to unseal them, but you do want to play the game, so you might want to download a copy and put it onto disk. There's all sorts of reasons why you want to do this. So I'm going to show you first what happens without this modification, and I'll get into that shortly. This is an old Call of Duty 2, so when we put this in, this should come up with a screen saying put it in an Xbox, so it should auto boot as well. So we'll see what happens to that. There you go, you can see that on screen there. I'll try and zoom you in a little bit so you can read that, but that's showing that there's no modded disk drive. It thinks doesn't know what disk it is. It's what you used to get originally. So if we take that disk out, shut it down, put the hard drive back in, switch back on, we put the disc back in, and now it should just fire the game up. There you go, game running. So I've been doing a lot with Xboxes over the years. I've known quite a lot of things about these Xboxes. My friends comment on how knowledgeable on these things I am. I'm not blowing my own trumpet or anything like that. I'm just trying to say, basically, I didn't know about this, and I didn't know how long it's been out for. You can also use it for other things as well, which I'll get into very shortly of what it's called. Yeah, so let's go over to Dash Launch, and let me just explain what I've done. So okay, here we are in Dash Launch. If any of you guys have ever had a JTAG or RGH console before, you might be quite familiar with Dash Launch. Dash Launch does everything that it says on the box pretty much. So you can see there it's flashing away at the top on paths, so you can set path for Aurora dashboard or NEX dashboard or whatever dashboard that you want to run, and it'll run on boot. You can also add that path. You could actually put it to an emulator if you wanted to, so it'd auto boot. If there was just one game that you wanted to play on Xbox, or turn it into an arcade machine, say for instance, you built yourself an arcade cabinet, you could put the MAME emulator on there with all the arcade games in and set that path straight to the MAME emulator, so when you switched it on, it just fires straight up into the arcade games. So yeah, so that's what you would do with paths. There's a lot of things in here that I don't know. I'm not 100% familiar in here, but in plugins, if we go in plugins, I've added that one, and this is called NetISO. Now, I've not looked into it too much, but if you put that plugin in there, so basically all you would do is go to plugin 1, press A on it, go to your NetISO folder, wherever it is on your hard drive, select it, put it in there, left bumper across twice, move down to your hard drive and press X to save. You would have to shut your system down then and reboot, and this now allows you to run backup games. It bypasses all the checks. Fantastic. Now, I do believe it can also do other things, as it's called NetISO. So if you set it up correctly, again, I've not looked into it, you'd have to have a quick look on the internet, or if you do know how to set up, drop me a comment. We can set up it over the internet, so you can keep all your game ISOs on your PC and select them through the Xbox off your PC. So you don't need an external hard drive or anything like that. You can run everything over the network, i.e. why it's called NetISO. But yeah, have a dig into that and let me know if you get any more information on it. It seems to be a little bit scarce out there. There's not many YouTube videos on it or anything. But yeah, any info would be great, guys. So if you are interested in RGH consoles or want to purchase one, this Modern Warfare one is for sale. You can contact me numerous of ways. You can find me in Discord, where we're in there with the YouTube Retro Repairers. And next weekend, on the 1st of June, we should have a live stream with us all on there. So come and have a chat with us. We're going down to Retro Fest, so we should have a lot to talk about. So pop and see us in the Discord group. It'd be lovely to see you, and everybody is welcome. And of course, in the description, there's links to the other YouTubers as well, so you can check out their content. But thanks for watching, guys. It's a bit of a short one, this time. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's been informative. I'm just really surprised that I didn't even know about NetISO. I think it's been out for quite a while, but yeah, grab NetISO if you've got an RGH or JTAG console and throw it on there, and then you don't even ever have to do your disk drive firmware. No LTU boards, no custom flashing, no kamikaze hacking like I've done in previous videos. So this is great now, because pretty much all Xbox 360s are now going to become RGH consoles, because they will be coming off Xbox Live shortly, which is a shame, but it is coming to the end of its life. We knew this when Marketplace shut down. There is rumour of December 25, but I don't know. Don't quote me on it. If you know more, let me know in the comments. But as I said before, thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.